Hello Vjkhan family! Eid Al Fitr is almost here, and we've got the exciting news about the official holiday dates in the UAE. From a 4-day holiday to a possible 6-day weekend for some of you, this is definitely a time to celebrate. Stay tuned to find out exactly what this means for you. Let's dive right in. The UAE has officially announced the Eid Al Fitr holiday for government sector employees. The holiday is expected to begin on Shawwal 1, which falls on March 30th or March 31st, depending on the moon sighting. Here's the catch. The Eid holiday will start after the moon sighting. The sighting will take place on March 29th, and if the moon is spotted, Eid Al Fitr will be celebrated on March 30th. This means you'll get a 4-day holiday from March 29th to April 1st. Sounds great, right? But hold on, it gets better. If the moon isn't sighted on March 29th, the holy month of Ramadan will complete its full 30 days, and the holiday will start on March 31st, giving you an extra long 5-day weekend from March 29th to April 2nd. Now, here's a special treat for our friends in Sharjah. If you're a government employee there, get ready for an epic break. If Eid falls on March 30th, you'll get a 5-day weekend from March 28th to April 1st. But if Eid falls on March 31st, Sharjah workers are looking at a 6-day holiday from March 28th to April 2nd. That's some serious relaxation time. So whether you're getting a 4-day, 5-day, or 6-day holiday, it's the perfect time to enjoy family, food, and fun after a month of fasting. What are your plans for Eid? Let us know in the comments below. Are you planning to travel, visit family, or just chill at home? Before we go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Vjkhan-Family-Entertainment channel. We'll be bringing you more exciting updates, fun content, and all the latest info on your favorite holidays and events. So make sure you hit that notification bell to never miss out. Eid Mubarak to you and your loved ones. See you in the next video, and enjoy your holiday.